Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to fold the world record aeroplane Suzanne, credits to John M. Collins. Okay, so let's start by folding it like this. Okay, let's see. Okay, I folded it like this, as you can see, like this. And now we are going to unfold this and fold it the other way. Okay, unfold that as well. So basically I did the same thing but the other way, like that. Now let's do this. Like we are going to align this edge to this crease here. Like that. Now we are going to do the same thing, but this is going to overlap this one. So it's like here, like that. It's like that. So now we are going to fold it like this. So we are just basically going to align this X which is here. I'll show you this way. I'll do the fold and I'll show you the references. Okay. So basically these two lines is going to align with this right here, like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it like that. So like that. Okay, you can see like that. Now I'm going to fold this like this. Okay. Like that. So now I'm going to lock this like that. Lock it like that. Okay, and done that now. Now we are going to fold it in half like this. Let's do that. Okay, so we have just fold it in half like this. As you can see, I'll show you in it's like this and in half like that. So now I'm going to just make the wings like this. So what I basically want to do is, when I'm folding the wings, there is this triangle appearing. You just want to bend that until it's disappeared, like that. See, now you can't see it. It's behind the paper. So we are going to do that. Okay, and we are just going to align the other way. Okay, great. So now our plane is almost done, but one last fix. we are going to give it some anhedral angles. So we are just going to push the wings up like this. Yes, from the rear view, push the wings up like that. Okay, so now we have some dihedral angle. So now we are just going to get